Hello everyone, welcome to Math Cafe. This is Sulagna, your maths mentor. Today we'll discuss about differentiation of different logarithmic function and exponential function, and when we use the logarithmic functions for differentiation. The other differentiation videos are uploaded and the link is provided in the description box. So go through the videos for better understanding. So let's begin our today's session. We have already done different types of differentiation. So we have taken different functions. For example, if fx is equal to sine square x, then f dash x, or you can say dy by dx, is equal to 2 sine x into cos x. Or if fx is equal to x to the power n, then dy by dx or f dash x is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. And if fx is equal to a, or a constant, then f dash x or dy by dx equals to 0. But if fx is equal to sine x to the power x, now the base is a function and the power is also a function. But in the first, second and third case, single function is present, whether it is a constant function or here sin x is the function, 2 is the power. Here x is the function and n is the power. But in this case, sin x to the power x, we have two functions. So in those cases, we apply logarithmic differentiation. Before moving to logarithmic differentiation, let's learn about some rules, or let's recall some rules of logarithmic. Log p to base a is equal to log p to base b divided by log a to base b. Number 2, log pq equals to log p plus log q. Log p to the power n equals to n log p. Log p by q equals to log p minus log q. These are some basic rules of log, and we are going to apply all those rules in our logarithmic differentiation. So, how will differentiate logarithmically, or how will apply logarithmic differentiation? Suppose a function y is equal to given in the form fx whole to the power gx. In our example, we have taken y is equal to sin x to the power x. So, fx is sin x and gx is x. So, what we'll do now, we'll apply log in both the sides. That means log y equals to log of fx whole to the power gx. And this is in the form of log x to the power n. So, we can write gx log fx. Now, we'll differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So, d by dx log y equals to d by dx gx into log fx. So, here we'll apply chain rule, log y divided by dy into dy by dx. So, this implies that d log y by log dy equals to 1 by y into dy by dx. This equals to, here we'll apply chain rule. So, gx into d by dx of log fx plus d by dx of gx into log fx. So, 1 by y dy by dx, this implies that dy by dx equals to y into, here we'll get gx, d log fx by dx, that means d log fx by dfx into dfx by dx. So we'll get gx by fx into f dash x plus here we'll get g dash x into log fx. So in this way we'll differentiate a function when a function is given in terms of two functions or one function is the power of another function. This is one method to differentiate logarithmically. We can differentiate exponentially also. In this type of function, we can apply exponential method also. So let's see how we'll apply exponential method. So if it is given y equals to fx to the power gx. So now we'll take logarithm of both the sides. This implies log y equals to gx log fx. This we have understood in the previous part. Now if we'll take exponential of both sides, that means e to the power log y equals to e to the power gx log fx. E and log to the power base e, if any base is not given, we can assume it as e. So we can cancel that. That means y is equal to e to the power gx log fx. So what will be dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this. So we'll take e to the power gx and log fx into derivative of gx log fx, and after that we'll apply chain rule and multiplication rule simultaneously. Then we can easily differentiate our function. So now let's solve some question so that you will be very clear. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying, like the video and do subscribe my channel. So let's move to our question number 1. Y is equal to log x to the power cos x. So here we'll take logarithmic of both the sides. That means log y equals to log of log x to the power cos x. So we can write this as cos x log of log x. So here we'll apply our formula directly. That means dy by dx is equal to y into gx by fx into f dash x plus g dash x into log f dash x. So dy by dx will take dy by dx is equal to y. What is y? Y is log x to the power cos x. Log x to the power cos x into gx by fx. What is gx? Gx is cos x, fx is log x. So cos x by log x into f dash x. So if fx is log x, f dash x is 1 by x plus g dash x, that is minus sin x into log of fx. So log of log x. Or we can write dy by dx is equal to log x to the power cos x into cos x by x log x minus sin x into log of log x. Isn't it simple? If you remember this formula, then it will be very simple. Otherwise, you can solve it like we have solved the formula. Now let's come to question number 2. Here it is given x to the power y plus y to the power x equals to 1. So let's assume x to the power y equals to u and y to the power x equals to v, so that it will be easy to differentiate. So if u is equal to x to the power y, we can say log u equals to y log x. Similarly, v is equal to y to the power x implies that log v equals to x log y. So now let's differentiate this and this. So 1 by u du by dx, or we can write du by dx equals to u into, instead of u, you will write x to the power y into gx by fx. So what is gx here? Gx is y and fx is x. So y by x into f dash x. So f dash x is 1 as fx is x plus g dash x, that is dy by dx into log x. So what will be dv by dx? dv by dx equals to y to the power x into, here gx is x, fx is y. So fx, gx by fx. So x by y into f dash x. F dash x is du by dx plus g dash x into log fx. G dash x will be 1 into log y. So if this is u and this is v, we can write u plus v equals to 1, or you can say du by dx plus dv by dx equals to 0. So what is du by dx and dv by dx? This implies that x to the power y, or if you bring x to the power inside this, what will get? X to the power y into y by x plus x to the power y dy by dx into log x. This is du by dx. And what is dv by dx? Will bring y to the power x inside the bracket. So y to the power x into x by y into dy by dx plus y to the power x log y equals to 0. So now we'll take all dy by dx term in one side. So dy by dx into x to the power y log x and plus here y to the power x and y is in the denominator. So we can write y to the power x minus 1. So x into y to the power x minus 1 equals to, we'll take the other things to the right hand side. So what we'll get? Minus y to the power x log y plus, here also we'll get x to the power y minus 1. Y into x to the power y minus 1. So our dy by dx will be minus y to the power x log y plus y x to the power y minus 1 divided by x to the power y log y plus x y to the power x minus 1. So in this way we can solve this complicated sum in a very simple way. So now let's move to our next question. Here we'll apply exponential form. So if y is equal to sin x to the power cos inverse x, here fx is sin x and gx is cos inverse x. So we have already derived y is equal to e to the power gx log fx. So this is e to the power cos inverse x into log of sin x. Now we can differentiate this. Dy by dx is equal to e to the power cos inverse x into log of sin x. This into, this is gx, this is fx. Now we know the formula gx by fx. So instead of gx, we'll write here cos inverse x. Cos inverse x divided by fx, that is sin x, into f dash x, that is cos x, plus g dash x. What is g dash x? If gx is cos inverse x, g dash x is minus 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. For this type of sums, you have to remember all the formulas into log of fx. So log sin x. So what will be our value? This is y, or instead of y we can write sin x to the power cos inverse x into, here cos x by sin x is cot x. So we can write cot x into cos inverse x minus log of sin x divided by root over of 1 minus x square. So isn't it simple? So by applying exponential and logarithmic methods, we can easily solve this type of complicated sums. So in the next video, we'll learn how to differentiate parametric functions. So I hope you are clear about logarithmic and exponential differentiation and you are liking the video. So if you are enjoying, like the video and do subscribe my channel. So